First time taking off this oil filter, make sure you undo this reusable zip tie and move these wires out of your way. Use a cup style oil filter wrench. You can jack your vehicle up in the back or remove the rear tire for extra access. And then I have a little funnel here that'll funnel it, catch all the drippage. Not bad. Once that's cracked, I'm going to lower it so that it drains properly. I won't crush my light here. In the pan and not in your chassis. So guys are breaking that sensor and or wire off because they're using plier style oil filter wrench. And as you can see, I was able to remove it easily with a cup style, and it can't be a stamped steel. It has to be a cast or more expensive cup style filter. If you want, you can jack up the driver's side and get some more oil draining out of there. But key thing is use a cup style oil filter wrench, undo this reusable zip tie, and move these wires out of your way.